Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fox in Super Smash Bros. Ultimate. First, understand that Fox excels at close-range combat and quick pressure. His speed allows for rapid movement and combo extensions. Focus on using his fast jabs and tilts to start your offense. Mastering his quick aerials is also crucial for juggling opponents and securing KOs. Let's dive into his essential moves. Fox's offensive toolkit is all about speed and precision. His neutral air is fantastic for racking up damage and setting up combos. For edge guarding, forward air can be a devastating spike, securing early knockouts. When an opponent is above you, a well-timed up smash delivers significant damage and sends them flying. Practice these moves to apply constant pressure. Recovery and defense are vital for staying in the game. Fox Illusion, his side B, is excellent for horizontal recovery and can surprise opponents with its speed. Fire Fox, his up B, gives you vertical height and can even damage foes who try to intercept you. Don't forget his Reflector, down B, which can absorb projectiles and send them back, turning their offense into your advantage. To truly master Fox, focus on advanced techniques. Practice short hops and fast falls to make your aerial attacks more precise and harder to punish. Learn to link his rapid jabs into grab combos for reliable damage accumulation. Aggressive edge guarding with forward air and neutral air can secure early knockouts, preventing opponents from recovering. Keep practicing to dominate with Fox.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.